Blackout Bingo and Cash Giraffe are both legitimate apps, but they are not the same type of earning app. Blackout Bingo is a skill-based competitive bingo game, while Cash Giraffe is a play and earn rewards app. By the end, you'll know how each app actually makes money, how withdrawals work, and what you should check before spending your time or money on either one. Blackout Bingo is operated through the Skills gaming platform. The game lets you play bingo against other players, with free matches available and cash competitions available where permitted. The important distinction is that Blackout Bingo does not simply pay you for opening the app or playing for a certain amount of time. Cash winnings come from competitive matches, so your performance matters. Some cash matches require an entry fee. If you lose, you can lose that entry amount, while winning matches can provide cash prizes according to the specific competition. Blackout Bingo also isn't available for cash competitions in every location. Before depositing money, check whether cash gameplay and withdrawals are supported where you live. Cash Giraffe uses a different model. Instead of competing directly against another player in bingo, you earn gems by playing featured mobile games and completing eligible activities. Those gems can be redeemed for rewards such as PayPal Cash or gift cards. Cash Giraffe advertises a $0.20 minimum PayPal cash out, although the available rewards and requirements can change. Cash Giraffe also doesn't require you to enter paid bingo matches. That makes the financial model easier for beginners to understand, because you can start earning through eligible activities without entering a cash competition. But legitimate doesn't mean guaranteed income. Both apps have conditions attached to their rewards. Blackout Bingo requires you to follow the rules of its competitive matches, while Cash Giraffe requires qualifying gameplay and activity to receive rewards. You should also avoid treating either app like a guaranteed way to make money. Your results depend on the game's rules, available offers, your activity, and your eligibility. So which one is legit? Both have legitimate reward systems, but they suit different users. Blackout Bingo is better suited to someone who wants competitive bingo and understands that cash matches can involve entry fees. Cash Giraffe is better suited to someone who wants a free-to-start play and earn model with a low advertised cash-out threshold. Before using either app, check the current withdrawal rules, location restrictions, and reward requirements directly inside the app. The simple takeaway is that neither needs to be labeled a scam simply because the earning models are different. Blackout Bingo is competitive cash gameplay. Cash Giraffe is activity-based rewards. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 earning app comparisons.